When people treat you like they don't care, believe them. Sadly, the only way some people will learn to appreciate you is by losing you. Train your mind to be calm in every storm. It will serve you well. Never give up. There are always tough times. Keep going. Breathe. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. One day the word soon will be replaced by the word finally. Never give up. There are always tough times. Keep going. Remember, because I don't want to is a failed reason. If you can't stop thinking about it, it matters. Be proud you survived the days you thought you could not. You can't control everything,